Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Jurasearch Academy. We are back again with the reviews analysis of various LLM entrance examination for the year 2021. We will be bringing you analysis of various LLM entrance examination and providing you insights and procedures for each examination for you to better assess which college to pick, which course to pick, and how to approach preparation for all those courses or college entrance examination. So we will begin our session of the reviews and analysis with the first exam lined each year in the overall entrance series. If we say the first exam lined up is always the IIT Kharagpur LLM entrance examination. The entrance fee for this examination is rupees 2500, whereas for girls there is no entrance fee, it is free of cost. Coming to the type of examination, it is objective examination with 120 marks. Earlier, this examination was supposed to be of 160 marks and 40 marks essay you have to write for the same, but no more is the case now. And there's an exceptional clause for this examination, that is students who from IIT Kharagpur itself who secured CGPA more than 8.5 or 8.5 can appear for this examination without giving the objective type examination. Basically, the idea is if you have secured more than 8.5, you are eligible for the direct entrance without appearing to common entrance test. Also, this examination is followed further by the personal interview, and final selection is made on the basis of your merit in your earlier course, your common entrance test score, and your personal interview combined. Coming to the eligibility criteria, like every other exam, this exam as well requires you to have, unlike in many examination, there is a variant of CGPA, but for IIT Kharagpur, you need to secure CGPA either in your 5 year or 3 years LLB course, that is 6.0, that means 6 CGPA out of 10. Otherwise, as already mentioned, a clause that if you have secured 8.5 or more, and that too from IIT Kharagpur only with IPR specialization, you are exempted to give common entrance test exam, and as a specified relaxation is given to students from SC, ST and PWD candidates. That's all for the eligibility criteria. Let's move to the tentative dates this year. As we all know, due to pandemic last year, a lot of shuffling and rescheduling of examination was being done in the year 2020. So most of the programs started very late. So this year, the tentatives or the application form for IIT Kharagpur are not out yet. But every year, the tentative dates for the exam is in somewhere middle of April. So was the case last year as well, which was 18th April. But this year we are not very sure about when the exam will be held. But that's the overall tentative which everywhere is. Coming to the course structure, so this college, IIT Kharagpur, which is also Rajiv Gandhi School of Intellectual Property Right, is totally saved from the realm of PCI recent notification to scrap 1 year LLM, as this college offers you a 2 year full LLM degree program, whereby specialization offered are in varied field, but like every law school has a best of one specialization. This is famous for your IPR specialization, though other specialization are also being offered here, such as corporate law, competition law, constitution law, taxation, criminal law and justice, and international law. But like overall, if I say the IPR is the famous here, people can go for otherwise as well. But if someone is looking for a very specific IPR specialization, then in combination with other law school, one can wisely pick this college as well. Coming to the syllabus part of entrance exam, so this analysis is purely based on your past year question papers and the pattern which exam has been offered. So like in recent year, we have seen this transition for various entrance examination, that constitution is supposed to be one of the core or the crux of any entrance examination which you are giving in the field of law. May it be your LLM for any of the college, may it be your NET examination, may it be your judiciary examination. So constitution, I personally feel, is right now the central pillar for any entrance examination if you are giving in the field of law. And so is the case with IIT Kharagpur as well. Constitution here forms the very important base, though in combination of other subjects as well, in compared to other examination as of LLM or any other. Here constitution is in equal proportion with other subjects as well. So if I come to understand, what I personally feel, 5 years or 3 years are good enough time to understand the crux of any subject, and so is the case with any subject which you are picking to prepare for your entrance examination. Coming to constitution, my personal suggestion for all those subjects which have a bare act, that bare act is a must thing to understood as a first thing whenever you are preparing for your any entrance or whatsoever examination. So coming to constitution as well, what you need to pick is bare act, be it PM Bakshi, be it universal. I would personally suggest PM Bakshi gives you a very not very, but yeah, more precise explanations and examples of all the section, but universal is equally good. Then stick to one of the book, need not to be a MP Jain or DK Basu, a book which gives you a very basic understanding of the constitution, for which I would personally suggest VN Shukla or Mamta Rao. Even JN Pandey would be very suffice for your entrance preparation. And then as we are seeing the trend in coming like last coming years, case laws form the most basics of your any entrance examination. The country is moving towards more and more up to how you are developing your current knowledge about the law, rather than fixing or rather than limiting yourself to the fixed law. So I would suggest not only in the sphere of constitution but in any sphere, case laws, and that too recent case laws, are mandatory. Coming to jurisprudence, in this examination, jurisprudence actually marks very quality and quantity question as well. So for jurisprudence, I would suggest BN Mani Tripathi or VD Mahajan, whichever read you are comfortable with. Both of these are good enough to make you well prepared for the exam from the LLM entrance examination point of view. Coming to intellectual property rights, the very famous of this institution, IPR, I would suggest one should go and have a thorough knowledge of the BEAR Act. So BEAR Act, I personally believe, is the crux of IPR. You need not to go through any book. Guides might help you otherwise to have a clear understanding of what type of a question or such are being asked. But if you are well versed with the technicalities within the BEAR Act, I would say कि IPR would easily be prepared with the good grip of understanding of BEAR Act. Coming to the contract law and tort law, obviously you have to stick to some book. I would suggest R.K. Bangia, and to go through all the, not the entire book, but we already have read tort in our entire LLB curriculum. So stick to those topics which we already have studied, rather than going to entire book and there would be a too much to fix in your mind. So rather than stick to what we already have read, because entrance exam always, I wouldn't even say generally, mostly they pick from whatever we are being taught. Like it's a general scenario over like all over the country. So the subject syllabus for the LLB or LLM is more or less similar. It's a general scenario, so they always pick what you have already read. Coming to the contract, the similar is the case with contract law. Even a good grip of BEAR Act would also suffice, but you definitely need to go through what should I say, books or other materials for understanding of case laws. As already explained in the last slide, in this slide, subjects except international and human rights law, BEAR Act would be suffice for criminal law, environmental law, and personal law. In the BEAR Acts, all your basic understanding would be done. What more is needed? Guides. If you can pick some good guide, like LexisNexis or Universal, to understand the case laws, it is very good. Or else, if your BEAR Act or otherwise basic understanding of the subject would also suffice. Coming to international and human rights law, obviously you will be needing book for the same. But if you can't take up the whole bulk of a book in such short span, obviously, which is not very feasible. I would suggest you to go with some good guides and study material as been repeated in our entire review or course base, and that would be like really very sufficient if you are preparing for international and human rights law. As I mentioned, additional material guides would be needed more than any particular book subject. I personally believe a good understanding from your bare act and help of your guide would definitely help you a better way to get like respectable score and get successful in your entrance examination. So that's all for your IIT Kharagpur LLM entrance preparation in a crux. Thank you from Juris Edge Academy and best of luck for your exams. Thank you.